Are you trying to figure out which email marketing tool, Constant Contact or MailerLite, is the most cost effective for your startup? You've probably seen the offers and features of both, but which one actually gives you the best value for your dollar? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to make an informed decision. Let's start with the pricing structure. Constant Contact, as a more established name, offers a range of plans starting at $12 per month for the email plan, with its highest tier plan hitting $45 per month. The catch here? It's a bit more expensive when you compare it to others on the market, especially if you have a large email list or are just starting out with a limited budget. Next, MailerLite comes in at a much more budget-friendly price. The free plan covers up to 1,000 subscribers and allows for 12,000 emails per month. If you need more features or subscribers, the paid plans start at just $10 per month, and they scale in a way that doesn't break the bank as your business grows. That's a pretty solid offering if cost effectiveness is your main concern. Now, let's talk about features. Constant Contact offers a lot of built-in tools like email automation, social media posting, and even event management. These extra features are great if you need them, but if your startup doesn't need all the bells and whistles, you might be paying for a bunch of stuff you'll never use. It's good for a more established company, but may feel overwhelming for a small startup trying to keep things simple. Next, MailerLite focuses on simplicity with an easy-to-use interface and a solid set of features like automation, A/B testing, and landing pages. However, don't be fooled by its minimalistic approach. The free plan is fairly generous for small businesses, and even the paid plans come with a lot of value, but you may find some advanced features limited compared to Constant Contact's high-tier plans. The fourth thing to consider is support. Constant Contact has solid customer support, offering live chat, email, and phone support. If you have a question or issue, you're more likely to get help from a person rather than a chatbot. MailerLite, on the other hand, offers email support, which can be a bit slower if you need urgent help. This may be a deal breaker if you need 24/7 support, especially as a startup operating on tight timelines. Let's talk integrations now. Constant Contact integrates with a wide range of apps, from Salesforce to Shopify and more, which can be great if your startup uses multiple tools that need to sync up. MailerLite's integrations are more limited, but it covers the basics, like Shopify and Zapier, which might be enough for a smaller operation. Lastly, it's important to mention deliverability. Constant Contact has an excellent reputation when it comes to email deliverability. That's crucial if you don't want your emails ending up in a spam folder. MailerLite also has decent deliverability, but as a newer player, it's not as proven as Constant Contact. So, which one is more cost-effective for startups? While both have their merits, it ultimately depends on what you're looking for. If you need a more comprehensive, all-in-one marketing platform and don't mind paying a little extra, Constant Contact is a solid option. However, if you want something more affordable and simple that still covers the essential features, MailerLite could be the better option for your budget. But here's the thing, after testing both of these, if you're looking for a better alternative that provides even more value for the same goal, growing your startup's email list and marketing automation, I'd recommend checking out the free trial through the first link in the description. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to benefits that aren't available to everyone else. It's the best deal for startups that want to scale without breaking the bank.